Today we take a walk around a vehicle that from the outside remains true to its legacy, yet has been perfectly reimagined for today's market. The Land Rover Defender is an icon, synonymous with the JLR brand and with a strong legacy built on capability and durability. Did you know that Queen Elizabeth herself still drives a Defender to this day? Before we take a walk around, any customers considering the Defender should first make sure they jump on the website landrover.com.au, select Defender from the vehicle list, click on the Help Me Choose tab and take a short quiz to help them pinpoint the right model most suitable based on their needs. Once they know the Defender most suitable, this will also make your role easier to cater your walk-around presentation to their specific needs. But now on to our walk-around. Before we begin, there are 3 things new to the Defender you need to know. For the first time, Defender doesn't come with a standard ladder frame chassis. The new monocoque with air suspension is even more capable and smoother than ever before. Secondly, with more refinement, it's more comfortable than its predecessor and now poses a real threat to the greater 4x4 and SUV market. And finally, with new tech, we introduce you to the latest in entertainment with the new Pivi Pro with navigation. What more could you want? In fact, Car Advice also highlighted the new Defender's superb ride, high levels of refinement, and its well-executed interior with plenty of tech. This really is the vehicle Australians have been waiting for, a real threat to the competition like Mercedes-Benz G-Class, Jeep Wrangler or the Cherokee, Lexus LX, Prado or the Land Cruiser 200. The Defender now offers class-leading approach, breakover and departure angles, as well as up to 900 millimeters of wading depth. Now let's take a closer look at the new Defender, its iconic design and the many features that make this new car not only capable of great things, but the car for everyone. Today we take a walk around the new Defender P400. A few things have been added to this particular model. However, for a full list of standard features, you can find these on the website via the car configurator. At first glance, we notice the Defender's distinctive design. Its iconic Land Rover silhouette, classic flat front and rear, chamfered roofline, alpine lights allowing light to flow into the interior, giving more of an open feel and providing a great view for occupants on mountainous terrain. And let's not forget the side opening tailgate with rear mounted spare wheel. There are also a wide range of options available, either as standalones or equipment packs and accessories, many unique to the Defender. And let's also not forget the 4 accessory packs with 4 very distinct styles available: Explorer, Adventure, Country and Urban. Don't worry, we'll explore these packs in more detail in a series of future videos, so stay tuned for those. The Defender P400 features a 6-cylinder, 3-litre turbocharged petrol engine, mild hybrid, producing 294 kilowatts of power and up to 550 newton-meters of torque. Additional power plant options are likely to follow post-launch, with more information to come, so stay tuned for more detail as it becomes available. As we approach the front of the vehicle, we recognise the Defender's iconic face, featuring distinctive and powerful rounded LED headlights as standard, with the option of premium LED headlights, auto high beam assist, as well as cornering lights. Another option is the Matrix LED headlights, adaptive driving beam and advanced front lighting system, designed to provide outstanding views of the road ahead while automatically changing the shape of the beam to avoid dazzling other road users. Permanent all-wheel drive is standard with locking centre differential and twin-speed transfer case on every Defender, which also confirms its off-road credentials. Just some of the Defender's performance features include smooth shifting and responsive 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring the right gear is always selected, active rear locking differential, transfer box with centre E differential. The standard twin speed transfer box contains selectable high and low range gears and is ideal for challenging conditions off-road or when towing, offering a 50-50 torque split. You also have terrain response to set the vehicle up to match the demands of the terrain. Or you can option Terrain Response 2, which builds upon the standard feature, making it capable of automatically sensing the terrain and adjusting the vehicle to optimise capability. So it makes even a novice like me look like they know what they're doing. You need to know its distinctive stance, proportions and details are all there to support its role as the most capable Land Rover ever. And while it still pays homage to its predecessor, it is a complete redesign. The new model is 95% aluminium, reducing the overall weight of the vehicle. Its robust, tough steel subframes allow off-road impacts to be withstood and protect components from damage. The Defender comes with a stack of standard features: keyless entry, a surround view camera, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, automatic headlights and rain sensing wipers, follow me home lighting, parametric alarm, heated electric power fold door mirrors with approach lights and auto dimming, heated rear window with timer and rear ISOFIX, just to name a few. Models are available initially as seen here with the P400 in a practical long wheelbase 110, with a view of introducing a compact 90 in the future. We'll let you know should the 90 become available down the track. As I mentioned, this is the first time the Defender has employed a monocoque platform called D7X, making it the stiffest, toughest chassis Land Rover has ever built. And while some may question why it's not a standard ladder frame with rigid axles, you can rest assured it's even more capable because of its new independent all-round suspension. The high lift, fully independent double wishbone front and multi-link rear suspension allows Defender to deliver excellent ground clearance and wheel articulation, together with predictable handling and precise wheel control. Standard on the 110 is electronic air suspension, which helps transform Defender's on-road handling while supporting its all-terrain capability, providing an off-road ride height lift of 75mm and supreme ride comfort across all surfaces. Air suspension also comes with adaptive dynamics, allowing the stiffness of the dampness to be adjusted while on the move for an even more comfortable ride. And it works fast too, with system sensors reporting up to 500 times per second. The electronic locking differential option brings with it torque vectoring, a system allowing sharper cornering by applying brakes to just the inside wheels and keeping power on the outer wheels. The vehicle's ground clearance is also hard to beat by the competition, now up to 29 centimetres. Great for accessibility when getting in and out of the car. Not to mention, a 45-degree max gradient, 500mm max wheel articulation as a result of the air suspension, 38-degree max approach, 31-degree breakover, 40-degree departure angles, and now in line with the Land Rover, Defender's wading depth achieves up to 900mm. Terrain response is yet another standard feature, along with the usual driving modes: grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, sand and rock. But with an option of Terrain Response 2, Defender now offers a more advanced system, providing configurable terrain response, wade aid, all-terrain progress control, and an auto function, which is where even a novice like me can test out the complete capabilities of the vehicle without needing to be an experienced off-roader. There are 11 wheel options with sizes up to 22 inches, which includes a 19-inch and a 20-inch. We're yet to have available the classic 18-inch steel wheel with white gloss finish. A callback to the classic vehicle, but it will be available soon. Retained in the new model is the Defender's iconic side hinge tailgate with rear-mounted spare wheel, but is now further enhanced by the soft close function controlling the last 6mm of tailgate closure, which avoids the tailgate being slammed. Some highlightable features include LED taillights, rear fog lights, rear wash wiper, an impressive 857 litres of boot space. It's only 645 litres in the BMW. You have a button to lower the car for easy storage, a 12-volt socket to power and charge equipment such as phones, tablets or even a small fridge, load space cover, hooks in the load space, and the option of a 20-inch full-size spare wheel. The 5-seat variant features a 40-20-40 split seat, while 110 models with 5+2 seating feature a 60-40 seat with tip and slide function. All seats are electronically operated and the rear seats fold flat to give you a large load space, perfect for those weekend adventures. Other handy features include an integrated air compressor fitted in the load space that can be used to inflate vehicle tyres, bike tyres, airbeds and other inflatable items, and a remote control electric winch which allows wireless control to ensure operation up to 45 metres away from the vehicle. It has a maximum pull force of over 4,500 kilograms. The winch bolts directly to the chassis and requires a winch mounting kit for fitment, which is made up of a winch cradle, crush cans and pedestrian-friendly winch cover. The Defender's maximum towing capacity is up to 3.5 tonne and is supported by advanced tow assist. And the towing systems include a detachable tow bar. Where customers ultimately want to be is right here behind the wheel. A standout feature of the interior is the exposed cross-car beam with powder finish, which typifies the Defender approach by highlighting a structural element of the vehicle. While other cars may hide their structural integrity, the Defender seems to wear it like a badge of honour. The interior's functional and intelligent tough materials, such as rubber cabin flooring, and there are loads of practical storage options. There are a range of seating materials available from premium canvas to premium Windsor leather. In the front here, customers also have the option of a full centre console, a cabin walkthrough, centre jump seat, a refrigerated centre console, and in the 110, 5+2 option for even greater practicality, allowing up to 7 occupants to travel across any terrain. Push button start and climate control dials. I like these as they're easily accessible and you don't need to search in the system for what you need most often. A press on the dials allows you to quickly access heating and cooling for the front seats. A simple press on the fan button on the left dial controls ventilation. Select terrain response and dial around to select the most appropriate drive mode for the situation. And what I love is the auto mode as part of the off-road program, which can make even the most amateur off-roader look like a pro. With terrain response, you dial up the specific terrain mode, a standard feature on the Defender. Or, as an option, air suspension provides 2 additional settings, rock crawl and wade mode. Something really special making its debut with the Defender, drumroll please, as we introduce customers to the latest Pivi Pro infotainment system with navigation. It's powerful and more intuitive than ever before. Supplied with a 4G SIM, the connected system is capable of automatic software updates over the air. Customers will enjoy the 10-inch infotainment system with digital radio and smartphone mirroring. Voice control is simple to use, and with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, customers will never need to touch their phone while driving. You can even take it one step further via your mobile phone, with the dedicated app allowing you to remote lock or unlock the vehicle. Remote start, great to warm up the vehicle on those cold mornings in winter or to cool down the car in summer. And you can even export journey logs as an Excel spreadsheet. The system also features the surround view camera. The 3D surround cameras of Defender are handy when parking as well as off-road driving, which have enabled 2 features that enhance the driver's confidence and safety. The ClearSight ground view camera is standard, with the option of a ClearSight interior rear view mirror, which uses a camera mounted on the rooftop antenna to provide the perfect view when travelling with tall passengers or large loads. And wireless charging will allow compatible phones to be charged simply by placing the device on the wireless charging pad within the centre console. Defender is available in 7 colours, including Fuji White, which is a solid colour, and 6 metallic colours: Santorini Black, Indus Silver, Eager Grey, Pangea Green, Gondwana Stone and Tasman Blue. You may also want to highlight Trick Defender puddle lamps, Alpine lights as per previous model design, off-road tyres, TPMS and white contrast roof, available with Pangea Green and Tasman Blue. And don't forget to remind customers about Defender's 5-year warranty, the option of a 5-year service plan, Land Rover roadside assistance, customer care, Land Rover Assured Extended Warranty and Land Rover Financial Services. Obviously, there is so much to know and love about the new Defender, and it would probably take us all day to take you through it all. For more information, jump on the website, download the Land Rover app, or simply ask us the next time you see us at training. Thanks for watching. Until next time.